Hi collectors, this time we are doing a quick unboxing of the Mini MGT00274 Porsche Taycan Turbo S, a special 1/64th diecast model, a three-way collaboration between Mini GT, Tarmac Works, and Shmee. Unlike previous Mini GT models, the box for this one is quite large, but upon opening it, we can see there are no other accessories inside. The biggest highlight of this model is that it replicates the custom Porsche Taycan Turbo S owned by British YouTuber Shmee. The Mini GT mold is sharp and crisp, and the midnight green metallic paint, a custom job by Shmee, has a deep premium feel. Paired with the gold wheels, black roof and British license plate, the whole car looks incredibly elegant and distinctive. 2 weeks ago, I bought this old model originally released in September 2022 for $21 including shipping. Without shipping, the price doesn't seem to have changed much from its original retail price. If I get the chance, I'll buy a non-collaboration Taycan model to compare it with. Please stay tuned. Until our next encounter.